I'm in Gorilla Tag, except there's a cool difference in this game. That being... I have finger painter. Yo, I have so many shiny rocks. Anyway, come here for this. I got finger painter. Yo, it's VMT. Does he have finger? He has finger painter. It's the real VMT. No way. Ain't no way. I'm finger painter. Jmancurly? Does he have finger painter though? He has finger painter.
I'm Jmancurly.
The computer. No. Hey, don't push me. How'd you do that? How'd you do that? Hey, don't push me. That's rude. Stop pushing me.
You sound
Stop
like
it.
my brother, bro.
Stop it.
You sound like my brother.
No.
You sound like Young.
How do I leave? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, it's not. No, it's not me. How do I leave? I figured it out. I have finger painter. That's so cool. Alright, we're gonna go grab some more. How much is it? 4,000? Clearly I'm gonna buy Jeff. This one's free. Alright, this one's free. So I should be able to. Let's go. I'm gonna tiny little chocolate bird. This. We do not have beach. Okay. No beach. Okay, got it. Bro, it better. It is. Original caves. Yes. And mines. Mines, I missed you. Oh god, it's scary. Yo, hey. This is your sister, brother, whatever it's called. Hang on. Let's go. Alright. This place is scary. I don't like it. What kind of witchcraft is going? Oh, I can actually go in it. I wasn't expecting that. We've explored down here. Wait, we need to check out canyons. Oh, my bad. Yo, what? Oh, it's because it's old. It's old canyons. Oh my god. Now this is nostalgic. How do we get up there? Oh, alright. We're cracked. Pumpkin. Is that used to be you? He actually looks. That's awesome. Alright. Okay then, let's try that again. Shall we? Alright, of course we gotta go up here. There's candles up here. Rose Jeff. Oh! Why is it? You're a good DJ. Does it change? It doesn't change something. Okay, we're gonna mute that though. Even though that is really sick, I'm still gonna mute it. Alright, so. Why would I ever take that off? I literally have the finger painter and Jeff and my top hat, so it's alright. Alright, we gotta play in a lobby. How do we join a lobby? I don't know how to join a lobby. It's just... Alright, maybe not. Wait, what is this? Monkey up. Camera mod? What? How do I flip it? Ooh! Hello, monkey. Oh, what'd I do? Oh, there we go. What does this do? Wait, hang on. Follow player. Follow. That doesn't help. Alright, the camera mod sucks. Oh, we gotta. Yo. It's literally only up. Bro, that is insane. We gotta do this. Oh. Alright. No. I'm gonna cry. I don't wanna do it now. I really don't wanna do this. It's gonna take forever. But never back down, never give up. Alright. It's pretty easy. Is this the stick? This is the stick. Oh, it's two. It's two of them. I'm not very good at gorilla tag, so this is difficult. Perfect. Wait, well done for getting this far. I'm impressed. Thank you. I was on see if it's gonna be bouncy. What? The monkeys? Monkeys? What do you think, Jeff? What do you think about these monkeys? Looking pretty coolio. Is this is the entirety of slide, isn't it? Oh, this is gonna take a while.
Shine bright like I can do anything, anytime I pick me over you. I got too many problems, there's too much to do. I'm taking his rocks and tagging him too.
This is so easy. It's simple. Only a simpleton could mess up and fall on this. You could fall, or you could be a god like me and beat it with ease. Is this the end? Now, I think I've reached the end. Let's go, I beat it. Never mind. Gold mask, gold mask, gold mask. Let's go, I beat it. There's no... Okay, yeah. Alright, well... Okay. And... Hoorah! I missed. Alright, well, we're gonna see what happened. I respawn at the stump. Okay. That's... What? How do you expect... Alright, we'll have to... Guess you're a god like me. This should be simple. First try. Alright. No, wrong one. There we go. We got gorilla tag back. We don't have... I finally have finger... Hey! Hey! I am offended by that. Get back here. Get back here, VMT. Get back here. Bad VMT. Bad boy. I'll punch you. I will get you. Ooh, I like these eyes.
Hey, Yum Yum! Yum Yum, guess what I did to you?
Don't report me, that's
I
bad.
reported you?
Oh yeah, well, I'll report you back. I'll report you back, Buster. I reported you for cancel.
How do we get more?
I reported you for cancel. Stop that! Stop it! Stop it! Stop crying. How do I leave? How do I leave? I'm finished. VMT? Nuh-uh. Hang on, VMT, wait. Look at me. VMT, look at me. Look at me, VMT!
Champions forever!
Wow. I'm offended. You're not invited. It's my
Hey,
birthday.
can you tell me
Stop
how to get the mod?
pushing me. I don't know how.
No, you have hit mod on.
No, I don't. What the? There's Lucy! Yo! Hi, Lucy! How's it going, homie? I'm touching your bone.
Wait, before we end this, I have to do the hokey pokey in mountains. Alright, ready?
You put your right arm in, you keep your left hand out, you put your right arm straight in, you slide yourself about, you do the hokey pokey and you slide yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Alright, it's
basically the same.
Wait, this isn't here anymore. I just noticed that.
This pillar isn't here anymore. Also, it's so much higher.
Thank you guys for watching.
That's it for today's video.
Bye-bye.
You're a tag, you know what I'm like. I put on the heads of reality.
Follow me, Yellow. Yellow, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. I have something really cool to show you.
Come here.
Come here.
Here. I have.
There's a secret cosmetic. You can get the stick. You can get the stick in this game. Come here. Just gotta stand in this corner.